Janganlah tikam. Assalamualaikum, hi everybody. So I just got myself another Billy bookshelf from IKEA, and I'm not sure why I can't hear my voice in this footage, but it's okay. And this is a voiceover, so this IKEA Billy can fit in my car. It's amazing. Yang Paulo Coelho aja. Oh. No rainbow rowels ya si payah. Pacik. Tiba sekali. Apanya terbalitnya? Si nampak spine. Macam yalah. Okay. Terbalik. Mama rasa no rainbow rowel saya pun mau simpan dekat box set lah. Yang tadi no small box set ya. Yang nun no rainbow rowels ya. Oh. No to juga.
What? Ini tak mesti dibuka lah dalam.
Biarlah nya dulu kelak lah mama angkahnya dalam plastik.
No.
Janganlah tikam.
Jangan. Tunggu sini.
Angkah sebelah Agatha Christie. Agatha. Bacalah. No box set yang ada 3 books
Agatha?
Yes. Ada 3 books yang warna red and black.
Oh.
Sebelahnya. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Anything wrong with this table, but it's black and it doesn't go along with all of the furniture I had. So we're just gonna put some wallpapers on it, and yeah, this is the tool that we're gonna need. So first, there's the instruction. Not that I need any instruction, because yeah, I can just use my common sense, but yeah, I'm just telling you guys that there's instruction behind it. This is a kind of wallpaper that is not meant to be used on a wall because it's very thin, okay? So I'm not suggesting you guys to use this on your wall, but instead you can be creative and use this as a book cover, or like to remodel, I don't know, your table or anything else, your desk maybe. So let's get started. So I'm using this one hardcover book of my son to avoid getting any air bubbles. So here we have the finished product, and it's going to match the other furnitures as well. Okay, that's all for now.